Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how did I achieve the top data science voice on the LinkedIn platform. Okay, so let's get started. So first, let's try to open my LinkedIn account. If you want to see my LinkedIn profile, you can just go to the google.com and here you can search for my name, that is Pawan Kumar D. Okay, so once you search my name, so on the first itself here you can see Pawan Kumar D YouTube. Okay, so just click on that. So once you click on that, here you can see my LinkedIn profile, and here you can see the top data science voice. Okay, so I'm really happy to say that I got this badge from the LinkedIn for my consistency posts and on my posts related to the data science. Like I have been learning the data science from the past 5 years. From past 5 years, like I'm trying to learn the basics related to the Python, machine learning, data management, and all. Okay, so even if you wish to get some kind of badge from the LinkedIn, like whether it can be like related to the data science or data engineering or any kind of field like which you are very much interested, try to get the knowledge on that particular skill and try to post the content on the LinkedIn platform related to those kind of skills. Okay, so if you are posting the content on the LinkedIn, means it's not like you will just post it 1 or 2 days and you will just leave it. It's not like that. You will have to post the content related to the any kind of skills which you are interested, whether it can be related to the data science or data management, or whether you are interested in software engineering or any kind of tech field or any kind of other domain also, whether it can be related like video editing, content creation, graphic designing, even to that particular domain also. Like even if you are very much interested, try to post the content related to that. Like if you keep posting the content, like your network will grow, and there are so many people across the globe and there are so many professionals across the globe. They will try to connect with you, and if your skill set is matching, and they will also show the interest in your profile. And even the LinkedIn will try to recognize like what kind of content you are posting on the LinkedIn platform. And once you keep posting, like the LinkedIn will recognize and they will ask you some of the questions, like you will be getting the notifications related to those content questions, and try to answer those questions, like what is your opinion related to those kind of content questions. Okay, so if you maintain the consistency in the posting, and if you maintain the consistency in answering those questions, like even the LinkedIn will recognize and they will give you the badge related to the domain which you are very much interested. Okay, so this is how I achieved my top data science voice. Like I have been posting the content related to the data science, and I have been making the videos related to the data science, and I have been teaching the data science. Like teaching means like I'm not teaching anywhere outside. I'm just trying to share my knowledge related to the data science or any kind of technology, because whatever the knowledge you have, if you share to someone, like the knowledge will get increased. Because whatever the knowledge you have, only if you share, then only your knowledge will grow, and you will also get some kind of different ideas related to that knowledge. Okay, so this is how you can get any kind of badge related to your skills. And my skill is mostly related to the data science, and my portfolio is mostly related to the data science. So this is how I got the top data science voice from the LinkedIn. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you, and thank you. Bye bye.